In this course, I want you to free yourself and make learning so easy for you. Why? Because I'll be walking you step-by-step guide on marketing as a whole in context of traffic generation. So today we'll be looking at Facebook organic traffic generation. I'll be walking you through the theory aspect because you have to understand the theory. You have to have a deeper knowledge of Facebook organic traffic before you can be able to work out and put it out on your own. So let's get straight into what we have. We'll be looking at introduction. We'll be looking at what Facebook organic traffic is. We'll be looking at benefit of Facebook organic traffic. I will talk about tips for increasing Facebook organic traffic. I will be creating engaging content and you will see it. Optimizing your posts, engaging with your audience, measuring success, and I'll be showing you common mistakes to avoid. And we'll be looking at the final conclusion. So let's get started. Introduction. I want to specially welcome you to this powerful course titled Facebook Organic Traffic Generation. Today we'll be discussing how businesses can use the power of Facebook to build their online presence, helping them reach more customers and making more sales. As social media becomes more and more important for businesses for all sizes, small or large, understanding the ins and outs of Facebook organic traffic is very crucial. By the end of this presentation, you will have a solid understanding of what it is, why it matters, and how you can start using it to grow your business. Facebook organic traffic. Facebook organic traffic, it refers to visitors who come to your Facebook page or your website through unpaid means, such as posts that appear in their newsfeed or a link shared to them by a friend. This type of traffic is different from paid traffic, that of advertisement, which comes from paid adverts. Organic traffic is important because it can help increase your brand visibility and your reach on Facebook. By creating engaging content and optimizing your posts, you can actually attract more organic traffic and build a loyal following fans who are interested and ready to buy from you. Benefits. What is the benefit of Facebook organic traffic? One of the biggest benefits of using Facebook organic traffic is that, number one, it is free. Unlike paid adverts that you have to give them some dollars to boost for you, businesses don't have to spend money in order to get engagement by Facebook organic traffic. Well, businesses don't have to spend money to get their content in front of potential customers. This can be especially beneficial for small business owners with limited budget. Another benefit of Facebook organic traffic is that it can help businesses build relationship with their audience by creating and engaging content and interacting with your followers. Businesses can actually establish trust and loyalty, which can actually lead to increased sales and customers retention. Let's look at tips Please, I want you to follow this presentation guide and read it over and over again so that you get every of the information I'm trying to pass across here. One of the most effective way to increase your Facebook organic traffic is by posting consistently. This means creating a content calendar and sticking to it so your audience knows the particular time you come online to post, so they will be expectant of your content. It is important to post at the right time when your audience are most active on Facebook. You can use the insight of Facebook to determine this. Another tip for increasing your Facebook organic traffic is the use of hashtags. Hashtags makes it easier for people to find your content when they are searching for a specific topic on Facebook. Make sure you use a relevant hashtag that are popular to your niche or your industry. Creating engaging content. When it comes to creating content for Facebook, the key is to make it engaging. This means creating content that your audience will want to interact with, whether by liking it or commenting or sharing your post. One way you do this is by using eye-catching visuals such as high-quality images or videos. Okay? Another strategy is to create content that is informative, entertaining, or is inspiring. For example, you could actually share industry news, tips, behind the scenes, and inspirational quotes or even stories of your business because they can feel your emotions. It is important to keep in mind that different type of content perform better on Facebook than others. For example, video content tends to perform particularly well as those content that is timely or relevant to current event. In addition, content that is emotional elicits a response from your audience, such as humor. They can be very highly effective. By understanding what type of content resonates most with your audience and tailoring your content accordingly, you can increase engagement and you can drive more organic traffic to your page. Let's look at optimizing your post. Optimizing your post is crucial for increasing organic traffic to your business page. First, consider the length of your post. Posts that are too long may lose the interest of your audience, while posts that are short may not provide enough information. Aim for a post length of around 80 to 100 characters to keep your audience engaged. Next is timing. Timing is the key when it comes to posting on Facebook. Consider the time zone and schedule your post during peak hour when your target audience is most active. Finally, format your post in a visually appealing way by using images or videos that catch the eye of your audience and encourage engagement. Engaging with your audience. Engaging with your audience on Facebook is crucial for building relationships and fostering a sense of community. Responding to comments and messages in a timely and helpful manner shows that you value your audience input and are committed to providing excellent customer service. When responding to comments, be sure to address any question or concern directly and provide helpful information or helpful resources whenever possible. It's important to thank your audience for their feedback and encourage further engagement by asking follow-up questions or inviting them to share their own experiences. Measuring success on Facebook. It is very crucial to understand how you measure your success. Measuring the success of your Facebook organic traffic effort is crucial to understanding how well your content is resonating with your audience. Reach, engagement, and conversation are three key metrics that can actually help you track your process. Reach, engagement, and conversion. Reach, engagement, and conversion are three key metrics that can help you track your process. Reach, engagement, and conversion. Reach refers to the number of people who have actually seen your content. This metric can show you a sense of how far your content is spreading. and how many potential customers you are reaching per post. Engagement measures how much people interact with your content by liking, commenting, or sharing it. Finally, conversion track how many people take a desired action after seeing your content, such as purchasing or signing up for a newsletter or clicking on any link. Common mistakes to avoid while posting on Facebook. One common mistake businesses make when trying to increase their Facebook organic traffic is posting too often. While it's important to maintain an active presence on the platform, bombarding your audience with too many posts can lead to fatigue and disengagement. Instead, focus on quality over quantity and aim to post content that truly value and engaging for your audience. Another mistake to avoid is neglecting to engage, such as answering questions, replying to comments, and all that. In conclusion, Facebook organic traffic can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to increase their online presence and reach more potential customers by creating engaging content, optimizing posts, engaging with your audience, and measuring success. Businesses can see significant growth in their organic traffic on Facebook. Remember, it's important to avoid common mistakes such as overposting, ignoring comments and messages from your audience. By implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this presentation, businesses can set themselves up for success and achieve their goal on Facebook for providing and generating organic